Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of my next upload. In this video, we are going to talk about configuring a new MikroTik router. Let's get started. Make sure your router is connected to power through a power cable and to your computer through a terminated Cat6 Ethernet cable at the LAN port. Run your Winbox. From its interface, click on the refresh button. A list of neighboring devices connected to your computer will be displayed. Now click on MAC address of your router and it will be displayed on the Connect to text area. The default login username is admin and there is no password. Now click on the Connect button. You have successfully connected. Keep the default router configuration because they will help set almost everything. A quick set interface will be displayed. If not, click here. Now set your Wi-Fi username and password according to your preference. In my case, I'll use Maurice and 128 respectively. Finally, set a password for your router. In my case, I'll use 128. Now we are done. Click on the apply button. If you check the Wi-Fi available, your Wi-Fi username should appear. Thank you for watching. Please like and leave a comment.